Welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 10. If you have any doubts in max problems, you can just ask me in the comment section. As soon as possible, I will just uh, solve the problems and upload a new video based on your question. Here is our 10th question. In the given figure, that means they have given us this figure. This is the figure which they have given. Angle ADB is 90 degree. That means this ADB, this part is a perfect right angled triangle because this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, what they're saying is AC, that is AC and AB is equal to 26 centimeter. This both are having the same value. You can see a single line over here, right? What does it mean? That means, see, you can find a single line over here and single line over here. That means this line AC and BC are equal. That means the value is equal. If they have given the value of AC, then you can just write the same value for this BC. This is called a similar symbol. So it is similar. This both lines are similar. That is same. And here also, and BD is equal to DC. See, this length BD is equal to BC. That means the length of this both are equal. You can see two lines over here. Even this is a similar symbol. That means this both are having the same value, that is same length. These two lines are having the same length and these two lines are having the same length. So just for comparing, just for uh, joining it, we are just indicating it with one line or two lines. I hope it's clear. Whenever you see one line, this both are equal. If this two lines, then these two lines are having equal length. This is what the meaning of this line is. It is similarity. If the length of AD, that is AD, this line is called as, which is dividing the triangle, it is called as median, right? AD is 24 centimeter and they're asking us to find BC. That means this total length from B to C, right? So first of all, we need to write down the given data. Given data, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. That means ADB is 90 degree. And here AC is equal to AB is equal to AC is equal to 26 centimeter. That means AB as well as BC is 26 centimeter. I am just making a note in a diagram also so that you can understand it well. And here BD is equal to BDC. That means this is equal to this line because they have already given a similarity lines over there, right? That means this both are similar. And the length of AD, they have given the length of AD, that is A to D, median, that is 24 centimeter. And we need to find the BC from here to here, right? So for finding this complete one, for finding the complete length, firstly we need to find out B to D or D to C, right? Here you can take any right angle, but we are considering this right angle triangle because here they haven't given any box, right? The small box over here, right? Because if they have given like this, then only it is considered as a proper right angle triangle, but here they haven't given anything, right? So it doesn't mean that this part is a right angle triangle or not, we don't know. So we should not take this part. I hope you understood this. You should not consider this part and solve the problem for getting this DC. So it is better to solve this part of the triangle because it is 90 degree. We can use the Pythagoras theorem only for the right angle triangle. So how to find a right angle triangle is it should have 90 degree at the opposite angle of this hypothesis. This is a hypothesis. Slanting line is called as hypothesis. Just opposite to that, the angle should be 90. Then only it is said to be right angle triangle. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we are considering this triangle, this right angle triangle. So hypothesis square is equal to sum of the square of the two sides, that is BD square plus AD square. Now just substitute these values in this formula. Then AB, what is AB? It is 26. So 26 square is equal to BD square, just write down as it is. And AD square is 24 centimeter. If we get this value, BD value, because it is similar to this DC, automatically whatever answer you get for this, you can just note down for this also, because see, there is a similarity symbol. That means this length is similar to DC, right? That's what we are finding out, BD. If we find out BD, then automatically we get the DC answer, and when you add this both, you will get the BC answer, right? So for that purpose, we are first finding the value, length of BD. I hope it's clear. Now 26 into 26. 26 square means 26 into 26, 676. BD square, just write down as it is, plus 24 square. That means 24 into 24. That becomes 576. Now we need to find the value of BD square. So just get this 527 on the either side. It becomes minus. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. So just put a bigger number sign, that is plus sign, and subtract it. You will get plus 100 is equal to BD square. But here we need to find the length of only BD. We don't need a BD square. So just remove it. For removing this square, you can just place a square root on the top of this 100. So square root of 100 is equal to BD. How to find the square root of 100 when it is having zeros? It is really very easy to find the square root, right? That means square root of 100, right? Just keep this zeros aside and just consider this numbers, integers, except 0. That is square root of 1. We all know that 1 ones is 1. 2 twos will be 4. But we need a 1. So consider it as 1 ones are 1. Right? Just write 1 1 from this. Just write 1 1 from this. And here you are having two zeros, right? So just divide it into half. That is, you'll get 1 0, right? So just place 1 0 over here. It becomes 10. When it is 0, at that time only you can do this method. So BD value will be 10. I hope you understood this. Now, actually we need to find BC. Here BD value is 10. We got 10 centimeter. So, because it is similar, see there is a two lines, that means similar. This line and this line is similar. So, angle DC will also become 10. Angle, so not angle, sorry children. Length of this BC will become 10 centimeter. So, but we need to find out BC. To finding out the BC, it is now it is very easy to find out, because BD plus DC will become BC, right? So this is what I have written over here. Now just substitute BC and DC. You will get 10 plus 10, that is BC is equal to 20 centimeter. So the length of this BC is 20 centimeter. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.